When comparing Asana versus Slack, it's important to understand which tool is actually best for your team. While both are popular choices for team collaboration, they each serve different purposes, and knowing how they differ can help you decide which one best meets your needs. Stay tuned till the end, because I'll reveal the best alternative for team collaboration that many are overlooking, and it's free for you to try. First off, Asana is designed to help teams stay organized and track tasks. It's excellent for project management, where you can create tasks, assign deadlines, and visualize your workflow with boards or timelines. It's a great choice if your team works on complex projects with multiple stages or dependencies, making sure nothing falls through the cracks. But here's the thing, if you're looking for something more streamlined, Asana can feel a bit overwhelming with all its options. If your team doesn't need that level of detail, it can be more of a hassle than a help. Next, let's talk about Slack. Slack is all about communication. It helps teams collaborate quickly through channels, direct messages, and integration with other tools. You can share files, make quick decisions, and stay in touch in real time. The major advantage here is that it feels a lot more informal and user-friendly. However, that's also where it falls short. Without a clear project management structure like Asana offers, Slack can get chaotic. Conversations can become disorganized, and it's easy for important information to get lost in the shuffle of constant messages and notifications. Now, the third thing to consider is integrations. Both Asana and Slack have their strengths here. Asana integrates with a wide variety of tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Microsoft Teams, making it easy to centralize your work. Slack, on the other hand, has tons of integrations with apps across different categories, from project management tools to calendar apps, and even productivity bots. It's definitely a powerhouse when it comes to connectivity. The downside? It can also become cluttered with too many integrations, and if you don't manage them carefully, you could end up spending more time managing your tools than actually working. The fourth thing I want to point out is the learning curve. Asana, with its rich set of features, can take time to get used to, especially for teams that are new to project management software. Slack, however, is incredibly intuitive, making it easy for anyone to get started with minimal training. But even with its user-friendliness, if you're not careful, Slack can become a time sink with endless back and forths and discussions that could have been more productive. So, which one is best for teams? If you're looking for detailed task management, structured project workflows, and more in-depth tracking, Asana wins. It's fantastic for teams that need to keep everything organized. But if you just need a tool for fast, real-time communication with some task tracking on the side, Slack is your best bet. However, after trying both of these tools myself, I can confidently say that if your goal is truly to streamline your team's productivity without the complexities of Asana or the chaos of Slack, there's a better alternative out there. It combines the best features of both tools while eliminating the drawbacks of each. And the best part? It offers a free trial that you can get through the first link in the description below. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial with exclusive benefits just for our viewers. If you want to take your team collaboration to the next level, make sure to check it out. Trust me, you won't regret it.